2024, fuel delivery apps like Cafu, Esfil, Fuel Buddy, and Yoshi helped boost the global fuel delivery market to 330 million US dollars. It is projected to grow to 2.37 billion US dollars by 2033 with a compound annual growth rate of 15.97%. This clearly makes this industry the most lucrative space for you to enter to generate revenue. In this demo video, we'll walk you through the fuel delivery app that we developed for our esteemed client and show you exactly how everything works. The client initially struggled to enter competitive markets dominated by physical fuel stations, facing hurdles in fuel delivery operations, logistics, and customer service. We helped them develop an end-to-end delivery platform and provided key insights on market dynamics, regulations, and best practices for successful launch and growth. So, let's begin with the demo of our Stellar app. The user can learn about the app before getting started with the option to skip the onboarding and login or sign up directly to the app. The user can sign into the app with their email and password. In case they forget the password, it is easy to reset it by tapping on Forgot Password. The user needs to enter their email address and tap Send Email to set a new password and tap Reset Password. Upon successful password reset, the user can sign in by tapping on the Jump into Login button to sign in as usual. If they are first-time users, they can sign up by tapping on the Sign Up button and entering their email, username, and a new password. There are options to continue with Facebook and Google too. A new user will receive an OTP for authentication upon creating an account and has to enter it. Once the user is signed in, they can view the home screen where they can search for nearby filling stations. Users can filter their search by tapping the filter icon in the search bar to narrow down the search based on distance and delivery time. Once done, they can tap on Apply Filters to get the search results. The map will open and tapping on the Start Journey button will guide the user to the destination. On the home screen, tapping on the top left icon will open a menu where users can add new cards to the app to make payments, view notifications of new offers and discounts, check for available and used coupons, change account settings such as passwords, and turn notifications on and off. If the user wants to log out, they can do so directly from here. Back on the home screen, the user can place an order for fuel by choosing between the options mentioned, petrol, diesel, and gas, along with their preferred brand. There is an option to enter the quantity either in liters or currency. The user needs to enter the delivery location and then tap on the order button to view the order details. The user can select any one of the payment options, which include MasterCard and Google Pay, and tap on Pay. After the order is successfully placed, the user can track it by tapping on Track Order or simply return to the home screen by tapping on the Home button. Tapping on Track Order displays the delivery status with the estimated date and time of delivery. At this point, if the user changes their mind, they can cancel the order by simply tapping Cancel Order. To view the order status on the map, the user can tap on Map View and view the delivery agent's contact details. Back to home, tapping on the profile icon at the top right displays the user profile, which is easy to edit. By tapping the Orders icon next to Home on the bottom bar, the user can view their order history with the option to reorder with just a single tap and even track the order they haven't received yet. Overall, the app interface is user-friendly with all the features required to make your on-demand fuel delivery app a grand success. If you want to build a similar fuel delivery app, reach out to us and we at Idea Usher will help you with it. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team having 10+ years of experience delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000+ happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.